Living in Middleburg, Florida, offers plenty of sunshine and charm, but it also means preparing for the state's unpredictable weather. From heavy summer rains to hurricane-force winds, Florida's storm season can put serious stress on your home's structure, especially your windows. Windows are one of the most vulnerable parts of any property during severe weather. Poorly installed or outdated windows can allow wind, water, and debris to enter your home, leading to costly damage. That's why proper window installation is one of the most effective ways to protect your Middleburg home from Florida's storms. Here are expert-backed tips to help you choose, install, and maintain storm-ready windows that will stand strong when the weather takes a turn. Choose impact-resistant windows. The first line of defense against Florida's storms is impact-resistant windows, also known as hurricane or storm windows. These are specifically designed to withstand high winds and flying debris without shattering. Impact-resistant windows feature laminated glass, made by bonding two panes together with a durable plastic interlayer. Even if struck by debris, the glass remains intact, preventing dangerous shards and keeping your home sealed from wind and rain. In Middleburg, installing impact-resistant windows can also help you lower home insurance premiums, improve noise reduction, enhance energy efficiency year-round. When choosing new windows, look for ones that meet or exceed Florida Building Code standards and are rated for the wind zone in your area. Prioritize professional installation. Even the strongest window won't protect your home if it's not installed properly. A window that's even slightly misaligned or poorly sealed can fail during high winds or heavy rainfall. Professional installation ensures a precise, airtight fit to prevent water leaks, secure anchoring into the home's framing for added stability, compliance with Florida's local building requirements. Certified installers in Middleburg understand how to reinforce frames, apply weatherproof sealants, and test for airtightness, details that make a big difference when storm season hits. De-installation might seem cost-effective, but it can lead to long-term issues such as air leaks, water intrusion, or even structural damage. For the safety of your home and family, professional installation is always the better choice. Strengthen frames and seals. When it comes to weather protection, your window frame is just as important as the glass itself. Middleburg's heat and humidity can wear down materials like wood, causing warping or rot. Upgrading to vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass frames provides durability and moisture resistance, two must-haves for Florida homeowners. Additionally, make sure your windows have high-quality weather stripping and caulking to seal out moisture and air. A tight seal prevents rainwater from seeping inside during storms and keeps humidity from damaging your walls or window sills. If you already have impact windows, check the seals each year and replace any worn or cracked caulking to maintain protection. Check for proper drainage. Even well-sealed windows need proper drainage to handle Florida's heavy rainfall. Modern windows are designed with weep holes, small openings at the bottom of the frame that allow water to drain away from the home. During installation, professionals ensure these drainage systems are clear and correctly positioned to direct water away from your foundation. As a homeowner, you can keep them working properly by cleaning away dirt, leaves, or debris that may block them. A clean and functional drainage system prevents moisture buildup and protects your home's structure from hidden water damage. Add extra layers of protection. In addition to impact-resistant windows, consider complementary protection measures such as hurricane shutters for added reinforcement, window film for extra UV and shatter protection, storm bars or panels for older homes without built-in impact systems. These additions give you more control over your home's safety and can further reduce storm damage risks. Schedule annual inspections. Finally, routine maintenance is key to ensuring your windows perform when you need them most. Have a professional inspection before storm season each year to identify any cracks, weakened seals, or hardware issues. Early repairs can prevent small problems from becoming big headaches during a storm. Final thoughts. In Middleburg, protecting your home from Florida's storms starts with strong, properly installed windows. From impact-resistant glass and durable frames to expert installation and annual maintenance, every detail matters. By investing in quality materials and professional service, you'll gain peace of mind knowing your windows can withstand the elements, keeping your home, family, and valuables safe year after year. When it comes to Florida weather, window installation isn't just a home improvement, it's essential protection for your Middleburg home.